How to install a hot and cold water dispenser. Make sure to handle the 18.9 litre Saint Michel bottles carefully, as they are quite heavy to lift. Remove the protective sticker on top of the bottle. Grab it with both hands, one from the handle and one from the bottom of the bottle. Turn the bottle upside down onto the dispenser and align it parallel to the machine nozzle. Let the water flow into the dispenser and wait until the water stops bubbling. Dispense water from both hot and cold taps until a consistent water flow is achieved. Plug in the socket and turn on the switch at the back of the machine. Allow 15 minutes to start dispensing hot and cold water.